Stairway to Heaven dispute gets replay in appeals court. Led Zeppelin's lawyers will have an encore performance before a federal appeals court in an effort to avoid a second trial over whether the classic rock group copied the iconic intro of Stairway. An Air of Spirit songwriter Randy Wolf in May 2014 claiming Stairway infringes his 1968 instrumental piece called Taurus. Jimmy Page and the Ninth Circuit in September 2018 handed Wolf's camp, via plaintiff Michael Skidmore, a win, and ordered another trial. That panel found. The Ninth Circuit on Monday announced that a majority of its active and non-recused judges voted to rehear the matter en banc. Both sides had requested rehearing, taking issue with different parts of the Ninth Circuit's decision. Zeppelin lawyer Peter Anderson argues respectfully. Meanwhile, Skidmore's lawyer Francis Malofy argues merely. Oral arguments are currently set for the week of September 23. Related video: Led Zeppelin chronicles 50 years with previously unseen photos via CBS News.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.